How to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, let's go ahead and post a picture to see how the process goes and works. So let me just click here. How to create Steam account in mobile. Choose photos. I'm going to choose a random photo. Say this one, for example. Now, before you post a post or picture or photo, if you click on tag people, you can see this option that says invite collaborators, and here you will be able to invite the collaborators and add them to the post before even you post it. However, if you have already posted the post and the picture, and now you remember that you maybe want to add collaborators and stuff like that, how will you able to do that? uh, Now, this works both ways. For some people, they will be able to add it, and for others, they will not. And honestly, I don't know the reason for that. Maybe it's a feature or an option that Instagram has enrolled to a few people and not the others. Now, if you can see, if I wanted to uh, add some collaborators to this post right here after I posted it, um, I will click on delete, edit, sorry, edit, not delete. Click on edit, and here I will click on tag people. Now, as you can see here, I only have the tag people option, uh, which means I'm one of the unfortunate people that cannot add collaborators to a post after they have posted. Now, for those who do, they will find here under the picture an option that says add collaboration, in which they will be able to add collaborators to their post. But if you're like me, you will not actually be able to do that. However, there's two solutions. The first one is to just delete the picture and post it again while adding the collaboration to the post before you post it. And the second option is to actually contact the TikTok, I'm sorry, the Instagram support team, and ask them to enable this collaboration option on your account. So from your profile page, let's click on the three lines at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, then scroll down till we find the support section. Yeah, and click on help, click report a problem. Let's disable this shake phone, click report problem, click include and continue, and here you need to screenshot the previous page in which the add collaboration option is missing and send it to Instagram and ask them like, please, this problem has become very annoying or something like that. Give them your reasons. Each person has his own reasons as to why he wants to that option, so give them that, and once you're done, click on send, and after a while, after a few business days, maybe they will get back to you to solve the problem. This is the only way to do so as of right now, and if there's anything or any solution that came up in the future, I will make an update. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add collaboration to an Instagram post after you post it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.